If you want to connect Spotify with ChatGPT, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can get set up fast. Whether you want to use your own Spotify account or just try the feature without connecting one, the steps are simple and only take a minute. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and go to the left side of the screen. In the left middle section, click on More. This is where ChatGPT keeps a few extra options that are not always visible right away. After that, click on Apps. This will take you to the Apps section inside ChatGPT, where you can browse and connect supported services. Once the Apps page opens, look for Spotify in the list and click on it. This opens the Spotify integration page inside ChatGPT. Now you'll see the Connect option. Click on Connect to begin linking Spotify with ChatGPT. At this point, ChatGPT will ask how you want to proceed. If you want to use your own Spotify account, click on Connect Spotify. This lets ChatGPT work with your personal Spotify login and preferences. If you do not want to connect an account right now, you can choose Continue without account instead. This is useful if you just want to explore the integration or test how it works before signing in. Follow the option that fits your needs best. Once you make your choice, ChatGPT will continue the setup and complete the connection flow. After that, Spotify will be available through ChatGPT based on the option you selected. From there, you can start using Spotify-related features inside ChatGPT more easily. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect Spotify with ChatGPT in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.